Ministry ya githomo ihinyiririe ati no muhaka aciari aria mari na uhoti marikie kuriha bithi ya arutwo iria tigarite undu uria utumurite ndereti hiu gatagati ka anyitite miruhonge-ini ruru hamwe na aciari. Minister wa githomo George Magoha ona kuhanura uguo akiuga ni mugaru na watho arutani a thukuru kuigata arutwo ni undu wa marihi mangi manyongerera maria magathikitwo ni thukuru.
So those who can afford to pay must pay. They have to pay. All these politics, you forget about it. And I said you pay the fee balances. Any teacher who is doing an additional levy, treat that as a criminal act. If you find a child sent home for an additional levy, that is now between the teacher and the law.
Kurumirira mirugamo iria koretwo ikiyumiria mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ni oritie ministry ya githomo kuiguithaniria na aciari hamwe na arutani uria ciana iguthie na mbere na mathomo hatari ngucanio o yothe.
I also encourage the Ministry of Education to work closely with parents, with headmasters, and to ensure that no child is left at home. We don't want to hear consistent fights in the media in what, this fee, that fee, that fee. What is important is for our children to be in school.
Magoha ekwaragia hindi ya kuruguria mutaratara mweru uria utanyitwo kugacirithia mathako mathukuru-ini kuria athanire mathukuru mothe gucokereria irathi cia mathako ta hau kabere akiuga riri ni ikinya rimwe hari kugacirithia mutaratara mweru wa mathomo.
Offer physical education and sport. It is important to note that all 7 core competencies in the CBC are achievable through physical education and sport, which will play a key role in producing an engaged, empowered, and physical citizen through maturing every national learner's potential.
Magoha oho akiuga thirikari nirikitie mehariria ari hamwe na gucabithia mafuku mbere ya arutwo a grade ya kana aria mari mucii kwa ihinda riri kuingira term ya mbere ya grade ya gatandatu mweri ukite.
I'm very happy to say that the government of the Republic of Kenya has printed the books. We are currently taking the books to schools. We shall verify physically the availability of those books, because me, I don't deal with reports.
Hadwini ha Kameme TV, Titagogena, Wawaduro.